Are you hiring a leader or just an organizer? Did you know nearly 40% of IT projects fail because objectives and milestones were unclear? Many hiring managers think the project manager just keeps a schedule and runs meetings. That mistake is expensive. Wrong hire, blown budgets, missed deadlines. You're not filling a slot, you're entrusting key projects to one person. In the next 5 minutes you'll get clear, compliant steps to assess candidates and insider tips to spot true software project manager leadership. We'll show what to look for, sample interview questions, sourcing channels, assessment tools, and common traps to avoid. Stay with me. By the end you'll know how to hire someone who truly elevates your team. At a basic level, a software project manager is the central nervous system of a project. They translate stakeholder vision into engineer-ready plans, manage timelines, budgets, and resources. Great PMs anticipate risks before they become disasters and remove roadblocks so devs can focus on building. They bridge technical and non-technical teams, translating complexity into business implications. I once saw a PM great at agile ceremonies but lacking leadership. The team went through the motions without direction, deadlines slipped, budget ballooned, and the product was a shadow of its promise. Contrast that with a PM who communicates, solves problems, and fosters trust. Projects finish early and exceed expectations. The right hire becomes a force multiplier. The wrong hire can tank your roadmap. Aim for the former. Next, how to identify must-have technical skills and the soft skills that predict success. Start on the resume. Cut through the jargon and look for must-haves. Must-have, practical understanding of the SDLC, requirements gathering, design, testing, deployment, and maintenance. They don't need to code, but they must understand these phases. Must-have, agile fluency, Scrum, Kanban, sprints, backlogs, and velocity. Hands-on experience with Jira, Trello, or equivalent. Configuring workflows and generating reports. Nice to have, familiarity with Git, CI/CD pipelines, and domain-specific rules, FinTech, HIPAA. Soft skills matter most. Top trait, communication, especially listening and translating technical work into business terms. Adaptability, plans change. Look for calm leaders who pivot and prioritize when things go wrong. Leadership is influence and empowerment, protecting the team and holding people accountable with empathy. Assess soft skills with behavioral and scenario questions, one speaker per shot. Ask, describe a time a project went off the rails and how you got it back on track. Ask, tell me about giving difficult feedback. What was the situation and the outcome? Listen for structured, proactive, collaborative answers that show root cause thinking. Where to find great PMs? Top 2-3 channels. 1. LinkedIn for passive, targeted outreach. 2. Niche project management communities and PMI job boards for serious, self-selected candidates. 3. Referrals and technical forums for seeing how people think and communicate. Use standardized interview scorecards and an ATS to record scores, reduce bias, and ensure compliance. Incorporate a scenario-based exercise. Draft a high-level plan, identify risks, and list stakeholder questions. Store results in your ATS so all candidates are evaluated consistently. Avoid overvaluing pedigree or FANG logos. Focus on demonstrated impact and accomplishments. Don't rush. It's better to delay hiring a few weeks than derail projects for months with a bad fit. To evaluate motivation legally, ask, describe the work environment where you do your best work. What makes it that way? What projects excite you? Weak answer example. Vague blame or confrontational remarks with no resolution. Strong answer example. Private check-in, root cause discovery, training plan, and measurable improvement. If you hire now, check peopleteam.com/hiring. And subscribe for more practical hiring playbooks.